If you prefer a cleaner, brighter look while browsing games, I'm going to show you how to enable light mode in itchio in just a few quick steps. This is a simple customization, but it can make the whole site feel much easier to read, especially if you're working during the day or just want to reduce the dark interface. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open itchio in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your username there. Next to your username, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down to open your account menu. After the menu appears, look carefully through the options. You'll see an area near the top where it says Explore. And right next to that title, you'll notice a sun icon. That sun icon is what switches the site into light mode. Go ahead and click the sun icon once. As soon as you click it, itchio should switch from dark mode to light mode right away. The background will become brighter, and the text and layout will update to match the lighter theme. If it doesn't change immediately, just give it a second and make sure the icon registered your click. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled light mode in itchio. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make the site feel much more comfortable, depending on your preference and screen setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.